Hello Shadow Crafters, welcome back to my channel. I got a package in today. I don't know where it came from, but I know I've made a lot of purchases. Oh no, this is from my daughter. Let's see what she got for me. Oh, nothing like having things fall apart on you. It's a coffin! Came with 4 different lids. This is so cool. One more. This is a lot shorter than I thought, but that's okay. No big deal. I've never actually seen one in person for these. But I love them. Thank you, Julie. The only problem I have with this particular set is I have to make the coffin 4 times to make it all match up. But that's okay. I still got stuff coming in. And I got stuff I could put in here. Oh no. Oh, what is this? Okay. I thought it was stuck. It's good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, recommend, hit that bell. And if you wouldn't mind buying me a cup of coffee, that would be great. I would very much appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Namaste.